Welcome to another video. All right, guys, welcome to another video. It's been a while since my last video. I know I've been saying that a couple times in my last couple clips here, but I'm gonna try to be a little bit more consistent with you guys. We got a new exciting build coming up in this new series, and it's gonna be our first resin kit. I've gotten a little affiliate partnership now with Alpha Models. You'll be able to use my code JohnnyB to get an additional 5% off any purchase on their website.
Nice.
So go hurry over there. They got some amazing kits. The build quality is absolutely stunning. In this video here, we're just really going over unboxing, and we're gonna check out what comes inside the box of this beautiful M3 G80 kit here. What else was I gonna say? And we even got some special goodies for this kit. What I mean by that is we got some special BMW paint. There's a really nice color that I like on their 2 series. It's a little bit funny because they don't offer this color in their 3 series, but we're doing it anyways because I love purple, and it's the Midnight. I forgot the name, but I'll put it down below here. So yeah, guys, like I said, just enjoy the video. This one is just an unboxing. In the next series, I'm gonna make a playlist for this. We're gonna have the whole build process from beginning to end. You'll see me doing the prep work before the painting, some of the scribing that I'll be doing on the model, all the painting work and all that cool stuff that we'd like to see. So stay tuned, and remember, guys, use code JohnnyB at Alpha Models for 5% off your next order. And thanks for watching. Here she is, guys. Finally got it. Our first resin kit. This is the BMW M3. This is one of my favorite cars. I've always been a BMW lover growing up. I do also love the hatchbacks of these versions. They have a kit for that as well that's very, very nice. But we're gonna be doing the sedan, the G80. Here we got that. Here's a list of all the parts. Got a lot of carbon fiber, decals, clear parts, some photo etched parts, and here are all the resin pieces. We got a little bit more detail. Oh, these are the instructions themselves. I didn't even realize. So yeah, these are the instructions. Here we go. In this kit, they also sent me a magazine here. Shows you exactly a step-by-step process of this builder and how he does everything. I already kind of looked through it. Talk about the depthness of the seams here and how you don't really need to do any etching. They speak about process for preparing the parts. You need to clean these parts out. The resin usually has something from the casting left over, so you need to usually clean it with isopropyl. Some people use the ultrasonic cleaner. Painting process. How to mask for the carbon fiber. Here we're talking about the polishing process now. Painted window trim. Doing the wheels. So as complicated as this kit may seem, the directions in this manual are very, very clear. It gives you a nice guide to follow. And there aren't as many pieces as you would think. There are a lot of pieces. There's nothing like engine parts, things that'll get you confused or anything like that. Like, all the pieces are very obvious, you know? And then the final detailing of the outside parts. And that's pretty much it. This is the guy that did it, Robin Witt. Turned out really nice. Love this green color, but I did a special order of a BMW color, almost midnight purple color they have on their 2 series. I know they don't have it on their 3 series, but I really love it. Been wanting to do a purple car, so we're gonna make a purple BMW. Now, without further ado, let's get into these parts. Up first, we got some of these clear parts. Got some screws. I'm pretty sure this is for holding the body to the chassis. Here we got the exhaust parts, and it seems here, yeah, they give you 2 different options for the exhaust. They give you this sports package exhaust, and I'm pretty sure this one is the standard here. This might be the center console as well. We got our brakes. Don't know what these pieces are yet. Here we got some interior parts, radiator. We got the grill inside here as well, rear diffuser. In here we got some interior parts. Yep, we got the door latches here, door handles, steering wheel. These are for the door, little side door panels, very nice and detailed. You can see little switches for the windows, very nice, very fine detail. These are the door handles, very nice detail. Brake discs, side skirts. We got 2 different side skirts, it seems. Here we got some vents, I think. What are those? Yeah, this might be some vents for the front bumper. Right there. And for the rest of the bulky pieces, this is some interior pieces, the chassis under. Nope, this is just for the interior tub, it seems. The rear seats, front lips. I'm pretty sure it's seeming like we get two different options here for this kit. We'll probably get a sportier package, probably like the competition or the CS package, and then the standard M3 package. We got our nice and delicate wheels here. Look at those. Love how thin these spokes are. Look at that. Oh, this is nice and heavy. This body has a little bit of weight to it. Wow. Very nice. This has got some real significant weight to it. Casting is so perfect. It's very smooth. I don't think we'll be needing to do any sanding for this. I've seen people build these alpha model kits before and they always talk about this. Very minimal amount of sanding required. Oh no, that's how it sits. Oh yeah, because the side skirts are going to go here. That's right. So yeah, this body is near perfect. We have some very minor things to take out. But look at that, even the detail in the vents here on the side. It's a really beautiful kit. I do wish that the exhaust was a little bit, you know, it was like separate. And you arrange it inside here, because I always find it a little bit annoying to mask scenarios like this, you know, because I always like to do a little bit of heat staining for my exhaust, give it a little bit of depth, you know. But yeah, I'm really excited for this kit, guys. Stay tuned. We're gonna do a multiple little videos on this step-by-step process on how we're gonna do everything. But today we're just doing the unboxing, so tag along. Here we got the photo etch parts and the clear parts, the windows, nice little emblems here. And here we have our decals, multiple dash options. Look at that. Beautiful carbon fiber weave. It's not translating as nice in the video, but in person it looks very, very good, very true to scale. But yeah, I'm extremely impressed with the quality of this kit. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, if you guys want to snag anything from the Alpha Model store, feel free to use my code JohnnyB, and you guys will save 5% on your purchase. And these kits are a little pricey, so that does make a little difference when you're buying. Tune in for the next video for us to do some progress on this kit, because I am very excited. See you guys next time.